Welcome back to 4Ds ASMR. So glad you came back. Let's prepare for our 10-minute sound and affirmations. You are inhaling and you are exhaling. And I want you to relax, 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 and center yourself. The best part about you is your center. Your center of clarity, your center of fire, water, air, earth. The center of yourself that makes you happy, that makes you believe in something again. The center of you is not lost. It's waiting to be used and used to its full capacity. The center of you is the most beautiful part of you. It may even be the thing that you hide the most. It may be the thing that you're shy about, that you readily don't tell people or show others. It's the part of you that makes it all complete, that makes living make sense, puts all worries at bay, puts all distractions and pain at bay. The center of yourself is what I would need you to connect to. Attach to your center and really, really be attached in your body. Feel your body from head to toe. Every motion, every tingle, every tick, every trigger. Feel where that's coming from. Feel exactly where that's coming from. Place your hand there and be gentle with yourself. Don't meet your center with pain or with anger, judgment or force. Simply, gently hold you in your hands and meet your center with courage, the courage to feel, the courage to know where things are hurting, where things are not the best. It takes courage to address and feel through and sit in the uncomfortability of your body as it experiences the hard days of work, parenting, friendships, partnerships, and the duty of a beautiful human being existing in the earth. I want you to attach to your body, attach to your center, and know that it is necessary. Know that it is so necessary. Know that it will go through changes. It will elevate some days and some seasons. It will not be all you thought it would be. Life is not meant to be one way. It is meant to expose and expand. And that starts from your center. Focusing on your center and not focusing on the world at large and all the worries that we have. Center yourself and feel through what gives you joy, what doesn't, what maintains and what doesn't. I want you to meet yourself with as much grace in the complexity that is yourself. You are a complex human being who laughs, loves, gets angry, who goes through different circumstances and situations. And you must be attached to your body to center yourself throughout some point in the day. One thing we do know for sure is that we only live once. And you are doing a great job at living this one life. You are doing the best that you can, the most that you are able to the best of your ability, and that is enough. It's working, it's working, it's working. It gets tiring, enduring, persevering. And when we get tired, that is when we need to center ourselves the most. That's when we need to meditate the most. That's when we need to inhale and exhale the most. Are these moments where living is insurmountable, unbearable for some even. Center yourself, and if all you have is the tears, let the tears flow. Let the tears flow. Let the tears flow. Let the tears go. No one can walk in your shoes how you walk in your shoes. Those are some pretty nice, gracious, proud shoes. Peace, love, tranquility, serenity, devout wisdom. Be all around you. Be all inside of you, from your head to your toes. You have worked incredibly diligently on who you are and who you've become. And know that it's just not the material things that make you a success. It is also your heart posture. It is the peace that your center brings for yourself. It's the love you show yourself. And it's the grace you show yourself. May you always return to your center, who knows you best, who feels you best, who comforts you. What comforts you? You know what's best for you, unlike anyone else. You have the power to make the decisions over your life. So make your own decisions over your life. You are doing well. You are going to face the most beautiful season you have ever faced. In this season, it will look different, and it will look beautiful. It will be beautiful because you are centered, attached in your body, and you make the best, the wisest, loving, graceful decisions for yourself that no one else or nothing else can. You deserve to take each step toward the life you would like to live. And that takes courage and grace and love from within. And it exudes without and inspires, transforms spaces you are walking in and have yet to walk in. Breathe in and breathe out. And know that it wasn't for nothing. Every hardship, every pain wasn't for nothing. In fact, what it was for is being revealed, exposed as we speak. It's time that the flowers in your garden grow, and there is no one more deserving and worthy than you. May you center yourself and keep yourself whole as often as possible. As often as possible.